If a scalar triple product A bar cross B bar, B bar cross C bar, C bar cross A bar equal to lambda into the scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar whole square, then lambda is equal to what here? In this case, this is a scalar triple product here. So A bar cross of B bar cross of C bar, and C bar cross of A bar is equal to, you can write this one as A bar cross B bar dot of B bar cross C bar cross of, so C bar cross of A bar here. Okay, consider this one as a K. So K is equal to, so B bar cross of C bar here. Therefore this is equal to A bar cross B bar dot of K cross of, so C bar cross of A bar here. Even this is also vector here, therefore take care K bar. Where the vector K bar equal to B bar cross C bar here. So this is a vector triple product here. So use the vector triple product formula as A bar cross B bar dot of K dot A bar, K bar dot of A bar into the vector C bar minus K bar dot C bar, K bar dot of C bar into the vector A bar here, into the vector A bar. But a K is this one here, B bar cross C bar, so use here as well as here. So therefore this is equal to A bar cross B bar dot of, so B bar cross C bar here dot of A bar into the vector C bar minus of K bar dot C bar, K is this one here, so B bar cross of C bar dot of C bar into the vector A bar here. And here this is scalar triple product here. If two vectors are identical, then the value becomes a 0, this becomes a 0, and this can be written as A bar cross B bar dot product is there. So B bar cross C bar dot A bar, B bar cross of C bar dot of A bar into the vector C bar here, into the vector C bar minus of, this becomes a 0 here. So 0 into the vector A bar here, because two vectors are identical here, hence a scalar triple product becomes a 0, because of B bar cross C bar dot of C bar is nothing but B bar cross C bar dot of C bar here, so this becomes a 0. Then here is a scalar quantity, this is a vector here, this is a scalar and this is a vector, and so this is equal to A bar cross B bar dot C bar, A bar cross of B bar dot of C bar into B bar cross C bar dot A bar, B bar cross of C bar dot of A bar. Yes, this is equal to what here? The scalar triple product ABC. Even this is also scalar triple product here, BCA. Okay, therefore here this is equal to ABC, the scalar triple product ABC. Similarly, the scalar triple product ABC only, because if a vector is changing the cyclic order, the value remains the same here. So product of these two gives A bar, B bar and C bar, it's a square. Therefore comparing this with this result here, so lambda is equal to what here? 1. Here lambda value is 1. So B answer here. This is a standard result, remember it here. This is a standard result here. A bar cross B bar, B bar cross of C bar, C bar cross of A bar is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar. It's a square here. Okay. Standard result here. Remember it here. This is not put here. Okay. Three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vectors such that A bar cross of B bar cross C bar is equal to root 3 by 2 into B bar plus C bar. If B bar is not parallel to C bar, then the angle between A bar and B bar is what here? So use your vector triple product formula. A bar dot C bar, A bar dot of C bar into the mid vector B bar minus A bar dot B bar here. A bar dot of B bar into the vector C bar is equal to, take root 3 by 2 inside the bracket here, root 3 by 2 into B bar plus root 3 divided by 2 into the vector C bar here. Then equating B bar and C bar coefficients. So left hand side B bar coefficient is A bar dot C bar. Here root 3 by 2 here. Therefore A bar dot of C bar is equal to root 3 divided by 2 here. Root 3 by 2. And minus of A bar dot B bar. Minus of A bar dot B bar is equal to root 3 divided by 2 here. Take this minus right hand side here. A bar dot B bar is modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into cos of theta is equal to root 3 by 2 here. And these are unit vectors here. These are 3 unit vectors. So this is one, this is also one. They are remaining only cos theta here. Cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2 here, because modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of B bar is equal to modulus of C bar is equal to 1 here. So cos is the negative, cos negative in the second quadrant here. Therefore theta is equal to pi minus of pi by 6 here. So 6 LCM here, 6 ones are 6 pi, 6 pi minus pi becomes 5 pi. 6 minus 1 becomes 5. So 5 pi by 6. Therefore D is the answer here. Here in this case we want angle between A bar and B bar here. Therefore we not take this term here. Therefore we want angle between A bar and B bar. Therefore take only this one and simplify it. Let the vectors A bar, B bar, C bar be 3 unit vectors, out of which vectors B bar and C bar are non-parallel. If alpha and beta are the angles which vectors A bar makes with vector B bar and C bar respectively, and A bar cross B bar cross C bar, A bar cross of B bar cross of C bar is equal to 1 upon 2 into the vector B bar here. Then alpha minus beta, modulus of alpha minus beta is equal to what here? It is just take a previous example here. Use a vector triple product formula. A bar dot C bar, A bar dot C bar into the vector B bar minus of A bar dot B bar, A bar dot of B bar into the vector C bar is equal to 1 upon 2 into the vector B bar. You can write this one as 0 into the vector C bar here. Again equating coefficients of B bar and C bar. So B bar coefficient is A bar dot C bar. Here B bar coefficient is 1 by 2. Hence A bar dot of C bar is equal to 1 upon 2 here. Then minus of A bar dot B bar equal to 0. Minus of A bar dot of B bar is equal to 0. So A bar dot C bar is a modulus of A bar into modulus of C bar into cos of here angle between A bar and C bar is the beta. So cos of beta is equal to 1 upon 12. And here take a minus right hand side here. A bar dot B bar modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into cos of alpha is equal to 0 because angle between A bar and B bar is alpha here. And these are unit vectors here. Modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of B bar is equal to modulus of C bar is 1 here. So this is 1, cos beta equal to 1 by 12. Therefore beta is equal to 60 degree here. And this is 1 and this is 1 here. Cos of alpha is equal to 0. Therefore alpha is equal to 90 degree here. Therefore modulus of alpha minus beta is equal to modulus of 90 degree minus of 60 degree here is equal to 30 degree. So first option is 30 degree.